What is your favorite Yiddish word?
Nu. It's a word that you can use for all sorts of purposes, and it's a word that, so far as I know, English really doesn't have an equivalent for, which is a shame because it's so amazingly handy, and I rarely feel more like a Yiddish speaker than when I can say nu. And in fact, my Yiddish teacher, Alexandra Hoffman, she's very into arts, and each semester we do all the Yiddish students come together and paint Yiddish-themed T-shirts. And on one of mine, I couldn't think what to do, so I just wrote nu, because that's when I'm feeling my most Yiddish, is when I have the opportunity to use that.